Chairman Mao, what she's basically said is that you guys are disconnected. You have no idea how to represent yourself or how to make yourself relevant to the young people. So as a result, you need to do a bit more work in that respect. Do you agree?
She sounds like she has done her research. Therefore, I'm not here to dispute what she has asserted. I can only probably guess why are politicians not considered to be the biggest influencers. You have to go into what the young people want, or those who prowl the internet. What are they looking for? Maybe they are not interested in our high voltage policy ideas. Maybe they are not interested in the way we pursue power with all the venom. Maybe they see us as deeply polarizing, so they would rather follow Beyonce than a Nobert Mao, because they think the political arena is too toxic. The key point is that the youth should not disconnect themselves. They should not unplug. So I would put this back to Irene, that please tell those people to plug in to the people who make decisions that affect their lives. So I would like people like Irene to challenge the young people and to connect also to the message of our keynote speaker, that the answer to power is power. So young people, rather than booing those who make decisions that affect your lives in terms of education, health, jobs, taxation, whatever, you should try and find out how to influence them. You have been called catalysts. Now you need to know what a catalyst is. A catalyst is something that speeds up a chemical reaction. So that is what the young people need to do to be organized. Shouting at those who you despise but who have power may not serve the African agenda.